Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Best Part and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so this is an easy 4-chord song, which you're going to be playing throughout the entire song, the same chords and the same strum patterns. So let's start off with learning the chords. So the first chord you're going to use is a D major 7. Then to an A minor, to a G major 7, and this last chord is going to be a B flat major 7. Now if that's a little difficult, you can play the B flat, but if you want to play the other one, move your top string to the 2nd fret to make the B flat major 7. So we're going to be using all those chords with the strum pattern of 2 downstrums, and in between those 2 downstrums we're going to be muting the strings also. So that's where the X's you guys see. Alright, so I'll play it, you guys can play it together. So thanks again guys for checking out this quick tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.